Indirect speech. Reporting verb that's subordinate clause. Common examples of indirect speech. He said that he had a cat. He said that he could dance. She said that she was happy. She said that he was very tall. She said that he liked to swim. She said that he loved his job. She said that he was her uncle. He said that he loved to dance. She said that he was very kind. She said that he was her friend. He said that he enjoyed reading. She said that he had a cool car. He said that he loved that song. She said that he had a new bike. She said that he would help them. He said that he loved sunny days. He said that he was taking a nap. He said that he liked that movie. She said that he enjoyed fishing. She said that he was working out. He said that he had a great idea. He said that he wanted to travel. He said that he loved that place. She said that she loved chocolate. He said that he was happy to help. She said that he was running late. He said that he was baking cookies. He said that he loved that weather. He said that he wanted to try yoga. He said that he would call me back. She said that they had a big house. She said that he was taking photos. He said that he was reading a book. He said that he was going shopping. He said that he would try his best. He said that he would call me later. She said that they were watching TV. He said that he would bring dessert. She said that he was singing a song. He said that he wanted to eat pizza. He said that he was learning French. He said that he wanted to go hiking. He said that he was going to school. He said that he had seen that movie. She said that he was playing soccer. She said that he was cooking dinner. He said that he was going to the gym. He said that he was going for a walk. She said that they would arrive soon. She said that he was planting a tree. He said that he was preparing dinner. He said that he was planning a party. He said that he wanted to buy a gift. She said that he was fixing his bike. He said that he was going to the gym. She said that he was writing a story. He said that he had a lot of friends. She said that he was mowing the lawn. She said that he was her best friend. He said that he would clean his room. She said that he was reading a novel. She said that he was washing his car. She said that he loved to play chess. She said that they were playing cards. She said that they were going fishing. She said that they were making dinner. He said that he would help me find it. He said that he had a meeting at noon. She said that he loved to read comics. She said that they were making a cake. He said that he was excited to see me. She said that he liked to play soccer. He said that he would take care of it. He said that he loved going for walks. She said that he was building a model. She said that they were playing games. He said that he wanted to go for a run. He said that he would bring his camera. She said that they would be there soon. He said that he would send me an email. He said that he wanted to ride a horse. He said that he was going to bed early. He said that he would buy some flowers. He said that he would be there at 5 p.m. She said that he was cooking breakfast. He said that he wanted to learn guitar. She said that he was drawing a picture. He said that he wanted to play outside. He said that he was reading a magazine. He said that he enjoyed playing sports. She said that he was going to the park. She said that he was cleaning his room. She said that he was fixing the faucet. He said that he would finish that later. He said that he was going to the doctor. He said that he was learning new things. He said that he was trying a new recipe. She said that he was playing the guitar. He said that he wanted to join the club. She said that they were having a picnic. He said that he would help me with that. She said that he was running a marathon. He said that he had a lot of work to do. She said that they were going on a trip. She said that he loved to ride his bike. He said that he wanted to write a story. She said that he was reading a newspaper. She said that he was watching the sunset. He said that he wanted to watch a comedy. He said that he loved trying new recipes. He said that he wanted to take a day off. She said that they were going to the zoo. He said that he loved going to the beach. He said that he would get some ice cream. He said that he wanted to read that book. He said that he was going to the library. She said that they were taking a picture. He said that he was learning how to code. She said that he was fixing the computer. She said that they were planting flowers. He said that he was visiting his friends. He said that he wanted to paint his room. He said that he wanted to see that movie. She said that they were having a barbecue. She said that he was looking for his keys. She said that they were going for a drive. She said that they were going to the mall. He said that he would see me the next day. He said that he was going to watch a show. He said that he would meet me at the park. He said that he was looking for his shoes. He said that he would start studying soon. He said that he would send me the details. He said that they would come to the party. She said that he was going to the dentist. She said that they were looking for a job. He said that he loved learning new things. He said that he would finish his homework. She said that they were visiting a museum. He said that he wanted to buy a new phone. She said that they were enjoying their day. She said that they were painting the fence. He said that he would come over after work. She said that he was practicing his speech. He said that he was excited about the trip. He said that he wanted to start exercising. He said that he wanted to visit the museum. She said that he liked to play video games. She said that he was making a presentation. She said that they were playing basketball. She said that they were listening to music. He said that he wanted to play video games. She said that they were going to a concert. He said that he would see me at the meeting. She said that they were going to the movies. He said that he was going to do his laundry. She said that they were planning a surprise. She said that he was studying for his exams. She said that he had a great sense of humor. She said that he was working on his project. He said that he wanted to go to the concert. He said that he wanted to learn how to cook. He said that he wanted to learn how to swim. She said that he was listening to a podcast. She said that they were decorating the room. She said that they were attending a workshop. She said that they were building a new house. He said that he would visit his grandparents. He said that he wanted to try that new cafe. She said that they were preparing a surprise. She said that they were planning a road trip. She said that they were playing in the garden. She said that they were studying for the exam. He said that he wanted to learn about history. She said that they were studying for the test. He said that he was going to visit his sister. He said that he would be there in 10 minutes. She said that they would join them for dinner. He said that he wanted to try that restaurant. He said that he would call me when he arrived. She said that they were celebrating a birthday. He said that he would help me with my homework. She said that they had finished their homework.